You love your big bird. You want more of your big bird. That's right. You want more of your big bird. Big bird is the word. Here's my one little feather on the top. You love getting kisses from Big Bird. I love giving you kisses because I'm a big bird. It's the word, it's the word. Give kisses to my the big bird. That's right. You love your big bird. You gonna tell me something? We're gonna get something to say. Why don't you talk to me, Maya?
Where are you going?
Talk to me, Maya. There you go. Tell me something, Maya. That's right. Tell me something, Maya. You're too cute to just sit there and not say something. Come on. Say something. Please.
Maybe she needs another kiss.
You're a big bird. Anna, you're a big bird. You're a big bird. I'm going to give you a kiss. I am your big bird. Big bird. Big, big, big bird.
Yeah, that's exciting, Big Bird.
He gave you big kisses. That's right. Big Bird just love giving you kisses. Who is your big bird? Who is it? I am your big bird.
You're gonna eat your Big Bird.
Want your two bird, big bird?
Yeah.
Not ready for that yet.
Oh, honey.
It's your big bird. Who is your big bird?
Oh, sweet pea. Are you done? Okay. Bye-bye.